Hello everybody, this is a 52-inch Hunter Oakhurst ceiling fan in the white finish, model number 21371. And I was actually mentioning this fan in the commentary video of the Harbor Breeze Crosswinds ceiling fan in the Aurora bronze finish. This one was actually one that I got in Florida a few months ago before the stupid hurricane hit there. Almost halfway out, almost all the way out of Florida, we went to a Habitat Restore there, and I got most of these parts. I got the no light apparatus for if I don't want to use the light kit. I got the motor housing, the blades, the blade irons, the upper light apparatus, and that Hunter pull chain that's on it. The bulbs that are in it right now are stupid Echo Smart bulbs. Those are DEL bulbs. What else? Those shades I got off of Amazon. They do look just about similar to what it would come with, if not the exact same. And this fan was actually a childhood fan for me. A really big childhood fan for me because some of you might know about this fan show I made called The Superior Superheroes. If you haven't checked that out, I highly suggest you check that out. Because in 2 of the latest episodes of that show, I featured my little cousin Jessica. With permission, of course. Don't worry. Can't even believe she actually let me do that. This one like this was in her room at our old house. And I can never forget, I would sometimes make her jump on the bed and just spin the fan blades, like, with her hands. Like, let me show you. I would make her go like this to make the fan blades move like that. I feel like I should just recreate that memory at some point. I will probably be seeing her soon this year, so I'll probably do that then. I'm not sure if it's going to be on the channel or not, but time will tell. Anyways, I'll give you a close-up shot of the fan. We're looking up close at the fan. That's a Hunter pull chain that I got with it. This is supposed to be a Seagull pull chain that I got specifically for this fan. Those are the stupid Echo Smart bulbs in it. There's the Hunter logo. Don't have any information tags on it. Unfortunately, it didn't come with a mounting bracket. So I just used this newer one and modified the thing in there, which I don't do very often. There's the Hunter logo right there. I'm just debating whether or not I should probably replace this bracket or just leave it alone until it breaks. It's got white to, I think, light oak blades, and these blades have these grommets in there, which putting those in there just makes me want to throw the blades out the window, because those are a pain in the neck to put in. And I remember putting that Hunter Ridgefield, the Noble Bronze one, in the bedroom. Those grommets were a pain in the neck to put in. I had to use a screwdriver to get them in, but these were already in conveniently, so I didn't have to go through all that frustration. So anyways, I'm gonna put the camera back down and we'll start the demonstration of the fan. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the light on now. You see all those bulbs are working good. And the reason I have that wall control there just hanging off there, which is it's just hanging off of there, which is really not ideal. But if I just put it on low here, and turn the pull chain on low, you get a nice slow low speed out of it. Adjust the camera. You see how slow that's go. You can probably see just how slow that goes. That's nice and slow. I really like that. Windy day today, so yeah, that's really nice, slow low. I'm probably gonna show it on the factory speeds because I don't think the control speeds really matter in this video. So that's low speed. Some of the newer versions of this one, like one I put in at a rental house and one that I saw in my cousin's new house, some of those newer Hunter fans already come with a slow low. Probably approximately the same as what you saw earlier when I put that hanging wall control on low. I wouldn't say the newer Hunter fans are all that bad, just as long as they're satisfactory for you. If they're satisfactory for you, just enjoy them. This one is in good condition. It's not severely damaged or anything, just a few minor scratches on the blade irons. I'm gonna go ahead and hardly feel a thing. So there's the medium speed. Almost looks like a low speed on a 44-inch Hunter fan, like the Stratford that I have. And I have this fan, as you can see, I have this fan with the white blades facing down on it because that's how I remember it from a long time ago. I'm probably gonna observe it and then put it on high. Pretty good airflow, I suppose. You can see it wobbles a little bit. And it moves a pretty good amount of air for being in a not so typical use case. Yeah, the mounting apparatus is not really the think I'm just gonna replace it. I don't like it. Oh, great. Now it's making clicking noises. Ugh. Huh. Stupid. I blame that entirely on the mounting apparatus. I'll show it with the lights here. There it is with the lights. And I'm gonna turn everything off now. There's the Hunter Oakhurst 21371 ceiling fan in white. And I'm gonna go ahead and show the spin down, and once that's over, the video is ending. So stay tuned for the next video to come.